Unpacking the phrase, "Don't let the bedbugs bite." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a peculiar and widely used English expression, "Don't let the bedbugs bite." This phrase might sound a bit strange, especially to English language learners. So, let's break it down together, explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Stay tuned to become more fluent and confident in your English skills. This phrase is a playful parting expression, commonly said to someone heading to bed. At first glance, it might seem a bit odd or even concerning. However, it's not a literal warning about bedbugs. Instead, it's a light-hearted way to say, "Good night," and wish someone a good sleep. The full saying goes, "Good night, sleep tight, don't let the bedbugs bite." It implies a hope that the listener sleeps well and stays comfortable throughout the night. The origins of "don't let the bedbugs bite" are a bit murky, but it's believed to date back to a time when bedbugs in bedding were a common issue. The saying has been passed down through generations, maintaining its place in nightly routines despite the decline in bedbug problems in many parts of the world. It reflects a slice of history, offering a glimpse into the challenges people faced in the past. You can use this phrase in a casual, affectionate manner when saying good night to family, friends, or even in a light-hearted good night message. It's particularly beloved in contexts involving children, adding a touch of whimsy to bedtime rituals. Remember, it's all about the tone and context. This phrase might not be suitable for formal situations or with someone you're not very close to. So, there you have it. "Don't let the bedbugs bite" is much more than a warning about nighttime critters. It's a charming and historical way to wish someone a good night's sleep. We hope this exploration adds a fun, new expression to your English vocabulary and brings a smile to your face every time you use it. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't let the bedbugs bite. See you in our next video.